Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to sign up on Margex step by step. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or your mobile devices and in the URL box type in margex.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Margex where you'll need to go to the top right corner and click sign up. You will now see the registration page. Go ahead and enter a valid email address to sign up for Margex in the first field. Once done typing in your email, head over to the password field and create a strong password that matches these criteria in the text box. Finally, after you are done, if you've got a referral code, you can type it down in the referral code box. If not, you can confirm by tapping this little confirm box and click sign up. Complete this small puzzle that you may see in the process, and on the next page, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to you via the registered email. Open up your email inbox and you'll see an email from Margex. Click on it to open it up. Now, you'll see the verification code in it. You can copy this code and paste it inside the Margex website, or you can click on confirm your email as well. You have now successfully created your Margex account. Now, you can go through this small tutorial over here. This will literally show you or introduce you to the platform, and once done, you'll end up in this trade page. Now, once you're inside the main home page after creating an account successfully, the next step you can do is to enable security. Enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account and keep your funds safe. If you want to learn how to enable two-factor authentication, then we will come up with another video, but this is the process to complete the sign up for Margex, which is quick and easy and only takes a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.